It is a bittersweet day for history buffs in Southeast Texas. The Clifton Steamboat Museum is having an estate sale, and they're selling off memorabilia from the military, furniture, even some of the artwork. Now, according to the museum's website, the location has been closed due to major flooding.
Yeah, closed for a while, but museum officials say they're committed to sharing the history of the Golden Triangle by giving back.
The funding is going to help us with the safe and the very conscious dissemination of those items so that they are going back into our community, and our mission of telling the story of Southeast Texas continues.
So proceeds from the estate sale, as you were hearing there, will go to area museums. If you missed out today, stop by the Clifton Steamboat Museum tomorrow, Highway 124. The doors will be open from 9 until noon.